The Lord be with you.
And with your spirit.
A reading from the Holy Gospel according to St. Luke.
Glory to you, O Lord.
Tax collectors and sinners were all drawing near to listen to Jesus. But the scribes and Pharisees began to complain, saying, "This man welcomes sinners and eats with them." So to them Jesus addressed this parable. A man had two sons. The younger son said to the father, "Father, give me the share of your estate that should come to me." So the father divided the property between them. After a few days, the younger son collected all his belongings and set off to a distant country where he squandered his inheritance on a life of dissipation. When he had freely spent everything, a severe famine struck that country, and he found himself in dire need. So he hired himself out to one of the local citizens, who sent him to his farm to tend the swine. And he longed to eat his fill on the pads on which the swine fed, but nobody gave him any. Coming to his senses, he thought, "How many of my father's hard workers have more than enough food to eat, but here I am dying from hunger. I shall get up and go to my father, and I shall say to him, 'Father, I have sinned against heaven and against you. I no longer deserve to be called your son. Treat me as you would treat one of your hired workers.'" So he got up and went back to his father. While he was still a long way off, his father caught sight of him and was filled with compassion. He ran to his son, embraced him, and kissed him. His son said to him, "Father, I have sinned against heaven and against you. I no longer deserve to be called your son." But his father ordered his servants, "Quickly bring the finest robe and put it on him. Put a ring on his finger and sandals on his feet. Take the fattened calf and slaughter it. Then let us celebrate with a feast, because the son of mine was dead and has come to life again. He was lost and has been found." Then the celebration began. Now the elder son had been out in the field, and on his way back, as he neared the house, he heard the sound of music and dancing. He went, he called one of the servants and asked what this might mean. The servant said to him, "Your brother has returned, and your father has slaughtered the fattened calf, because he has him back safe and sound." He became angry, and when he refused to enter the house, his father came out and pleaded with him. He said to his father in reply, "Look, all these years I serve you, and at once did I disobey your orders. Yet you never gave me even a young goat to feast on with my friends. But when your son returns, who swallowed up your property with prostitutes, for him you slaughtered the fattened calf." He said to him, "My son, you are here with me always. Everything I have is yours. And now we must celebrate and rejoice, because your brother was dead and has come to life again. He was lost and has been found." The Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ.
Minsan ay ado king eskwela ating tuturong religion at kitang na ning mestro uling kairelang disyon yapin iting ebanghelyo. Nga na ning mestro was upset when the younger son returned. Nino nga na inge masaya ing mimwa, inyang mibalik yang pasibayo itang bunsong anak. At may kibat yang anak, itang anak nga na, ita pong bakang pepataban nga na. Ita kanong bakang pepataban, iyang malungkot. Uling, iyang pepakatat da, iyang petero. So, siguro pinmalungkot itang baka, bilong pepataban de. Ikakatang ebanghelyo karaniwan ausan de, parable of the prodigal son. Prodigal. Pero Dingaliwa ausan dyan naman the parable of the two sons. Si adwalang anak kasi. Itang bunso, ampon, itang pangani. Dingaliwa kitang metong translation ana the parable on the unsalvageable son. Uling bala mo emo na yakabus pa si Bayo, ulinitang pemanyapat na. Masolong pemanyapat na. Pero kitang original nga na azotes uyos. So, buri nang sabihan dissipated, buri nang sabihan loose living. Itang anak salawla, maging salawla, pamibiye-biye. So, maging salawla, pamibiye-biye. Pero malyari naman kanungasan the parable of the lost son. Ting may bating ayanak. Kasi in konteksto na niti, itang mumunang dake niting ebanghelyo yapin, itang may bating barya, the lost coin. Iya kabut simpleng barya, abi nitang gagamitan po ang ating kasal, inyapin natin yung sentimental value. Kawangis na ding aras, gusto may bating yo, at yung sentiment, kailangan pa intunan may atin yung sentimental value. Kaya bating tutuki ka rin, yapin, the parable of the lost sheep, itang may bating atupa. Iwari lakwan na laretang 99, paintunani itang may bating, may tumong may bating atupa. At kay bat atiyo iting parable. Inyapin malyarian na mga usan, the parable of the lost son. Ing may bating ayanak. Pero sabi ng St. John Paul II, maatin pang mas masanting a title o lagyo kaniting parable. Nga na, dapat ausan niya, the parable of the merciful Father. Ing kwento, ing parabola na, ning mapamakalulu o ning malugod atatang. Malugod atatang. Bang ating kasebyan nga na, adding insult to injury. Nang burin sabihan, adding insult to injury. Burin sabihan, pagdagdag ng insulto sa pinsala. May merwisyo na ka pa, maninsulto ka pa. So, masubiya, sobrani. Makanya niya itanggewa na niting anak. Banaitindihan yung may masama sing detalye na niti, ing kultura kanita ing peka importante aliwa ing sikakatao na di individual nune ing pamilya. At kaybat na ning pamilya yapin detang kabaryo. So ing pamilya at kaybat detang kabaryo. At ing pangatao na ning tao at iyo ketang posisyon na king pamilya, ampon posisyon na king baryo. At itang bunsong anak gewana, ingeda aisip, kitang kulturang ay ita umunang dili, nanong katanggap-tanggap, mabiyaya pa itatano, manyawad ng party, kitang amana na, bawal karela ito. Kailangan, anti mong kagalangan, king pengari mo, paborin may pamo, potang may walayang biye, karin ka makirake, kitang mga intulit kero. Pero iting anak, inyawad na itang partina, ating tatang binyena iting partina. Tutuking insulto king tatayapin, tutuking bagay makarine de patana, pisaline, itang amana na, pisalina. Kasi yung kulturang ito, yung tata at niya pang legal right, itang tiwan dyan, antimong tata. Ini dapat pisali. Ini dapat pisali. At yung tutuki pa kamarinayan agewan na yapin, may biye-biyeya, ginastos na la, betang pera, karing nakalupang udyo, ginastos na lang. ingapin lalong makarine, kamarinayan insulto, inggewana, ingkayang tato. Sabi na ng Ebanghelyo, inyang megisana, ing pibanjana, megisane per, nanggewana, mekipus nyamu, karetang manyese, babi. Para karing Israelita, ing peka mayroonat diling animal, iyapining babi. Marinat kay babi. Kasi nga natin San Pedro katamet ng sulat, dinilumenge ni, kay ba't maglabak ni naman, muntane naman king bura. At para karela marinatiya, iya kakananing babi, uling marinatiya, iya maglati. Balo yung animal maglati. Potang painawala, mamanganda pa, kalupaning kambing, kalupananing damulag, mga painawa, nilalangot siya pa, wala mat niyang chewing gum, kingasbok. So, deta malinis lang. Pero yung babi, marinatiya. Ulinita po yung sabihan, itang pega man, babang dili, obra, yang gewana. Nanin po rin yung sabihan niti. Nung minsan, ingapong ginupabustano, ngarapin, that you hit the bottom, miras katitang kalalaman. Baan kanita? Makapisip ko. Kalau pa niya naman tang sabihan do, sana may pukpuk ya, bayang migising. Kaya tamo, tang may pukpuk ya, bayang migising. So, may balik yaking panimanmana, makanyan mo naman. Minsan ng Diyos, pabusta na ito, paan kanita, makapisip-isip ya ing tao. At may kapisip-isip yapin, iting bunsong anak. At ayisip na karakal dading ipus, king pibale-baleme, ipus ng tatang kungano, eladarano. Mangutatan laking kabsi, pero yakong ini nga na darano. Itang kakananda ding babi, iyang kanakong kakanal. Itang kakananda ding babi, kalupa daring, tabunga daring akasya kini. Ewa dating panahon, mabunga la rin akasya, bala mo sampalok la. Yan. Yan ilang papakanda. Mo naman karing babi. Kay ba, na ginawa yung pag-speech na, tata nga, inakurampatan, ituring mo kung metong ay anak mo, ituring mo na ako mong metong karing kaya kang abe, karing kaya kang ipus. Sabi na ng Ebanghelyo, ing tata nga malaut ya pa ing anak abat siyawa na ni, ading tata pupulay nga at kaybat nga melunus siya king kayang anak, nga kinahul ni penumane iting kayang anak. Siguro nung ordinaryo yang tata sa likutane iting anak. Kamuanane iting anak, sermonane iting anak. Pero aliwaya iting tata. Kay ba't pa yung gewanan iting tata? Man pekiramdaman itang speech na ning kayang bunsong anak. Naning aligagana niting tata. Inaus na lang retang kayang ipus at kay batana piblasan niya kitang pekamasanting diling imalan pasulod niya itang sing-sing at dinanyang sandalyas karing kayang bitis, dinanyang sinelas karing kayang bitis. Itang sing-sing buri ng sabyan, itang kapanalikanan iting tata, iting kayang anak. Irang sandalyas buri ng sabyan, iti metong yang timawa malayang tao. At piniblas ni buri ng sabyan tatanggapahan anting ipus, anting anak ng tunay. Anting anak ng tunay. Kaya ba't na nito, itapin, na napatingi itang pepataban tamong baka at magpiesta tamo. Magpiesta tamo nga na. At iting piesta ay amo king pamilya. Bunin sabihan, magpiesta kaya beda ding kabaryuda, magsayala. Uli nitang pamagbalik na niting kayang anak. At itang amano ng Ebanghelyo at nung kasunting nga na itang amano ng Ebanghelyo your brother has returned and your father slaughtered the fattened calf because he has him back safe and sound. Safe and sound. Ibalik iya alayang sakit nga no. Because the son of mine was dead, meteo nga no. Pero mediyang pasibayo, he was lost and is now found. May bating niya ay ba't nga na miyakit iyang pasibayo. Tingmetong alarawan na ning kasalanan king Biblia yapin itang malilili kang dalan. Metong alarawan na potang may kasala yung tao maliliya king dalan. Potang magbalik ya loob sumisiya, bibalik ya king tune dalan. Pero itang kaduang anak nano naman ing reaction na umuaya. Itang tatay mo, itang pangani mo ayo, maginakitiya kang tatano. Nga na, look, all these years I serve you, and at once did I disobey your orders, pane kung mamin tuke ka, siwanda ka, karing makahabang panahon. Pero imo kumandininan agang bisero yang kambing, baan kanita magpiesta ako, kaya beda din ka na akong kakaluguran. But naning sabi na, but when your son returns, na sinabing, when my younger brother returns, tuturing kapatid na itang bunsong anak. Your son, inganak mo, nana. Na sinabi, ing kapatid kong yan, nana. Inganak mong yan, nana. See? Who swallowed up your property with prostitutes, for him you slaughtered the fattened calf. Ngano. Pero ngano, pati itang patabantang baka, tinatat mo ba magfiesta para kayo. At namin sabi na nitang tata, my son, no, baliktad yan itang sabi na nitang pangani, your son of yours, ngano, itang tata, my son, ngano, itang pangani, you are here with me always, everything I have is yours. But now we must celebrate and rejoice because your brother was dead and has come to life again. He was lost and has been found. So pareho la, inulit na niya naman pasibayo iti. Itang tata, papakit na inlugod na, uli mong magbalik yalub. Itang anak. Papakit pepaing lugod na nitang tata. Inya nga bine, paking ibale-bale no, pameko. Hanggang inyang meko ni linaw tiyo. Kalugurani po niting tato. Paninayaning libalik. At ngening libalik iyo. Kalugurani. Palang pamiyaliwa. Kitang miyaliwang kapilyan ning yan na niting anak. King lugod na niting tato. Inyapin nga ng St. John Paul II, marapat mo nga na ausan niya the parable of the merciful Father. Ito'y lalarawani nung makananuying Diyos kay katam. Mamaliwa king lugod na. Potang mayap tamo, potang marok tamo, potang mikasala tamo, potang magbalik tamo, ing lugod na mamaliwa. Ing turing na kay katamo, panemo anak. At yuta nating kapat a Domingo na ning Koresma, pataw Sunday ti Laetare Sunday. Laetare buling sabihan magsaya, tumula, inyapin, kulay ang rose, ing susulod mi, buling sabihan kulay na ning saya ampon tula. Magsayata mo, ampon tumula, uling mamaliwa, ing lugod na ning Diyos, kekatamo. Ting turing na kekatamo, ning apong gino, antimong anak na. Mikamalitaman, makasadiyayang, tanggap kekatamo. Irang ebanghelyo, yapay pupulay, yapay sasalubong kekatamo, manaya, ing magbalik tamo, lukaya. Makanyan niya, ing kekatamong Diyos. Makanyan niya, ing kekatamong itpa, ingapin, magsayatamo, anpon tumula.